Welcome back. It's now time for your lunchtime sports. We begin with cricket, where the West Indies went down by 4 wickets to host South Africa in the third one-day international in Potchefstroom, which saw the 3-match series ending 1-1 on Tuesday. Centre back, the Windies lost wickets at regular intervals and eventually were dismissed for 260 in 48.2 overs. Jamaica's Brandon King top scored with 72, while Nicholas Paran made 39 and Jason Holder 36. Dean Smith also chipped in with 17, while another Jamaican, Robin Powell, could only muster 2. There were 2 wickets each for Marco Jensen, Bjorn Fortune and Gerald Coetzee. Now chasing 261 for victory, the South Africans were led by an unbeaten century from Heinrich Clausen as they replied with a 265 for 6 of 29 overs. Clausen cracked 119 not out of just 61 balls, including 15 fours and 5 sixes. He shared in a crucial 103-run 6th-wicket partnership with Jensen, who made 43. Clausen also shared a 55-run partnership with David Miller, who made 17. Alzara Joseph was the pick of the Windies bowlers with 30, while Akil Hussain had 2 for 49. Well, the series ended 1-1 as after the washout in the first match, the Caribbean side had won the second match by 48 runs. The Windies captain Shea Hope and Clausen shared the Player of the Series award. The teams now turn their attentions to the 3-match T20 series starting on Saturday. 2021 champions Cavalier twice had to come from behind to earn a 2-all draw against second-from-bottom Falkland in the feature Monday night match, this in the Jamaica Premier League at the Anthony Spaulding Sports Complex. Jelani Nicholson gave Falkland a surprise 15th-minute lead, and they held that advantage heading into the break. It wasn't until the 59th before Cavalier drew level through a brilliant free kick from Dwayne Atkinson. Thomas Rundle then put Falkland ahead once again with a cheeky finish in minute 70. But Ronaldo Robinson snatched a point for Cavalier in stoppage time for them to avoid the upset. Cavalier moved the 2 places up to second on 37 points, 1 behind leaders Arnett Gardens. Now earlier, Malines United, they beat bottom-placed Chapelton Maroons 3-1 at the same venue. Malines went into the break leading 3-0 thanks to goals from brothers Jeremy and Nicholas Nelson, as well as 1 from Jason Wright. Chapelton got what turned out to be their consolation early in the second half through Mark Lewis. Head of the JFF technical team, Rudolph Speed, has disclosed that the local governing body is conducting an under-15 scouting camp in the United States. The mission, under FIFA's guidance, will scout talent ahead of this summer's CONCACAF under-15 tournament.
Early. So this is a camp in St. Lucia for the under-15s. These under-15s will also be participating in the CONCACAF tournament, under-15 tournament in August. So we're having camp in the US. We're supposed to do another one in New York in May as soon as the weather improves. In Jamaica we're going to have an under-15 parish competition, so we'll be picking that under-15 camp.
Technical Director Wendell Downswell was one of those in Miami, Florida, which was the focus this past weekend.
They all will be gathering at St. Lucia. Yeah, they are gathering at one location. Mr. Altimon Butler is also there as a part of that scouting mission for us. So those are the people who are there ensuring that the best talent that is in the United States that want to represent Jamaica, we will have them in the future.
And that's it for your midday sports report. And I am Jermaine Brown. Shane, back to you.
Thanks, Jermaine. And that's the Midday News. I'm Shane Masters. Pleasant viewing.